Good morning, my loves. Thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Zuri. As you have read from the title today, I'm gonna be showing you my simple face care routine to make my face hydrated and to move dark spots. I first start by switching on candles, setting on good atmosphere. Then I start by using CeraVe wash, which is really good to remove all the dirt, all the oil, sweat. You can also use it for makeup and to remove makeup, and it's also really good to hydrate the skin. It's not so harsh for the skin. Then afterwards I go with my ice facial. This helps reduce puffiness, makes the skin feel refreshed. It can temporarily minimize the appearance of pores and gives healthy glow, so I prefer to do this before anything. Afterwards, I go with my Garnier Bomb Shell Mask. This also is for hydration. It really deeply hydrates. It contains hyaluronic acid, which helps attract and retain moist. It has coconut milk, which helps nourish dry skin, but also it leaves the skin looking plump and glowy. And I keep this for 15 minutes because that's how it's indicated there. And if you really want it to work, you have to make sure you're following the instruction. As soon as I kept it, I already felt the difference. Like, it has a lot of hydration and thickness. After 15 minutes, I just take it off and I go ahead by using my gua sha. As everyone knows, gua sha really helps to reduce facial tension, can temporarily reduce also puffiness, so it's a very good one after the ice treatment. Then also it helps to promote circulation in your face, and it gives relaxing facial massage, which I think it's really good if you're suffering from puffiness, or just when you wake up your face is not at the right condition. And also it has good effects after some time if you use constantly. Then I quickly wash my face with the Garnier water, rose water, which it mostly is very gentle also. Then I go ahead with my Garnier Vitamin C Serum. This one helps to brighten the complexion, helps fade and appearance of dark spots. As you know, vitamin C is really important for our skin. Also, it supports more even skin tone and adds radiation to the skin. And I prefer this one specifically because as soon as I use it, I already feel my face being very radiant. I don't know if maybe it's because of other ingredients apart from the vitamin C kept in this specific Garnier vitamin C serum, but I absolutely advise it and recommend it. It's not like the other one, which is just straight vitamin C. And also it really helps to improve the dark spots. Then I go with my Anus 10% azelaic acid plus hyaluronic acid. This helps a lot to reduce the appearance of blemishes, can improve redness and uneven skin tone, which you absolutely need to apply it if you have used very strong products days before, maybe in the night. So it helps really to reduce the redness. Then it helps to smooth the skin, like to calm down. Afterwards I go with my Vaseline lip therapy, which I started using recently. I honestly wish I had bought the one which does not have the fragrance, but you know what, it does the work, and that's all I appreciate. Afterwards I go ahead with the ordinary niacinamide 10%. This helps to balance all the excess oil, even if the point is to hydrate but not to produce excess oil, so this one helps a lot. It also helps to minimize the appearance of pores. It supports the skin barrier, and also it improves overall the skin tone. So I think it's really, like when they say cherry on top, I think this product does that. It really helps to really lock everything in. That's why I use it, even if I don't use it often, but when I need to really clean, I use. Then I go with the Avena hydration fluid. This one is a must have if you're suffering from dry skin, and this one helps to lock the moist, actually keeping every product which you kept in but still hydrating you. Also, it leaves the skin feeling very soft, very comfortable, and it really helps to protect the skin barrier, because that's what you need. You need to make sure that you're hydrating your skin, putting all the products which are gonna help to remove dark skin, but also you should make sure that you're finishing your routine and your skin is feeling soft and healthy. I hope you loved. Till next time, ciao.